Lucia, who is in charge of our NYKS, Mira Yuva Bharat.
I also like to thank the team from the DA2, District Medical Health Office, and all the other trainers who have taken time on the decision to be with you this entire week in imparting this very, very important training. So, as I mentioned a couple of seconds ago, my speech will be very short. First, I'd like to thank all of the volunteers for being part of this wonderful training. It's encouraging to see so many youth take part in this training and volunteering, giving of time out in spite of other activities that may be going on in their life. I, on behalf of the Deputy Commissioner and the DDM office, will be able to thank that. But now comes the most serious part, as we've been trained for the past 5 days. I'm sure you are aware that disasters can be very serious matters. That's why they're called disasters. So with this training that you've been imparted, I hope to gain confidence, to be able to volunteer and to help out when the need arises. I've been briefed by the Deputy Controller that the Republic does not see as much disasters as the other districts. But that does not mean that we should be complacent. So please do keep yourself updated and do undertake regular retraining and regular upskilling as well of all the various skills that we've done this week. And I hope that more than anything, in the past 5 days, you've learned some important skills that will help you serve you during your career as a volunteer, but also throughout the world. So once again, I'd like to thank you and hope you utilize all the skills that you've learned. I'd also like to thank you to the EDMO for organizing the second batch of the training for me.